Let me share with you what's happening in kitchen design right now. I love that this is a modern kitchen today, and so that it does not feel too cold, you'll notice that we have multiple surfaces designed into this space. Starting with our wood floor. This is a beautiful floor. It's an engineered floor in a blonde or oak, and it's a nice clean line. So it gives us a really warm feeling without too much texture. The color is great because it lightens up our space. Next thing we've done in here is combined a deeper wood on our island and on a few of our cabinets, so we keep that idea of having warm materials in the kitchen. But here's the part for most of you that you'll remember from the 80s, if you're around in the 80s, where we had high gloss lacquered doors. And that's what we have here in the majority of the kitchen. But in this case, it gives us this almost built-in cabinet feel because we framed the ends and different parts of it at the top with more of that wood texture so that it doesn't float away, it feels contained within the kitchen. And again, it gives us that nice warm feel. The other materials that are moved into this space is our countertop. This is a quartz product and it looks like it's got movement on it, so it keeps it nice and warm. But then what I've done is actually combined it with our backsplash, and our backsplash has a handmade quality. So each tile has a little bit of a ripple to it. It's not perfect, and what that does again is it adds an artisan quality to the modern feel in here, because even though all the edges and the surfaces are clean and perfect, that little touch changes how the space feels. So let me tell you, modern is going down a different road today that is both comfortable and clean, and I love how it feels in this kitchen.